All right, so this is my front radiator core support, freshly painted. Sorry I didn't do like a time lapse of me painting it, but after mixing the paint and the clear and getting all taped up and crazy looking, I just didn't have time to set all the camera equipment up too. Figured I'd just show you guys afterwards. Came out really good. It's probably honestly painted way better than factory. In fact, I'll put this piece next to my factory piece whenever I'm get ready, whenever this is cured and I can pull it off the rack. I mean, like, just for instance, you see how this is nice and blue? Well, let's go over here. Look, this is the factory piece that broke off, or they got bent, I guess. And I mean, as you can see, it's barely even primed. So, I mean, it's like I said, not primed at all. Here's mine, completely primed. Nice. Like I said, my stuff is probably, honestly, done better than factory. I used the best paint I could buy, the best clear. Did multiple coats. I'm definitely not shy with it. I mean, definitely looks good. It's fully cured, fully cleared and ready to be put on the car as soon as it's done. So just figured I'd do a little bit of updates. Alright, what's up YouTube? So, did a little time lapse. What I did is I removed this piece. So the strut kind of just bolts in. Mine got damaged. So I removed that. I put the new one in, obviously. Got all the bolts and clips put it where they belong. Then I put the core support on. Got a lot of this stuff put on and bolted up where it belongs. Got the radiator put in. And then next I'll get the condenser and the front heat exchanger on. Make sure that's all good and kind of test it for leaks and whatever. I'll probably run the car, put the fuse box and stuff back in just to run it until I get everything I need and then take it all back out. But yeah, you can definitely tell my stuff's painted versus the car stuff. My stuff's a lot better painted than what's on the car. But yeah, so I put all the hood latch stuff in. I put all the bumpers, all the little clips, the radiator little clips, all that stuff. I put all the metal hardware for the bolts to clip on too. Yep, so finally get started on this thing. It'll be probably more waiting for parts than actually putting stuff together because I feel like stuff falls together pretty fast. But parts seem to take forever. But I'm sure that's the new normal for most people nowadays anyways, is nothing ever seems to come in. All right, so I will say, to put this thing on, I did have to lower the subframe. What I did is I unbolted this whole side and just kind of let it sag a little bit. It allowed me to get to the bolts that I needed, slide it out, slide the new one back in, put the bolt in, and then, you know, re-tighten everything up. I plan on getting an alignment no matter what after all this is said and done. But as for right now, I think it'll be rock solid anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fender and maybe try to get this whole side done and put back together. And so it's just pretty much the front bumper and the other side that I need. But we'll see. Because most of this stuff I have, I don't have all the front bumper stuff. I'm waiting on that, waiting on the grills, and waiting on the front bumper. The bumper might be month or two. Who knows? I did order some carbon hood and carbon trunk. They told me it was like 16 weeks, so I honestly don't even know what to say on that. If it comes in, it comes in. If not, I might have to buy something else. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'll get doing some other stuff. This is kind of just a little video update in between the time lapse. Get you know, up to date on stuff. But yeah, that's it for right now. And I guess in the comments, tell me if you like it. Take it easy.